Hi, welcome to ForexBox. Do you want to register with us and don't know how? Well, I can show you how. So first you open your preferred browser, type in ForexBox, click the first link, and this link leads you direct to our website. On the top right corner, click registration and you will see your name, email, and password. So just type that in. And also, be sure to use a strong password that you will always remember. Congratulations, you registered, and you will learn more interesting things with us. Bye, see you next time.